Just put a piece of aluminum foil in your toilet and you won't believe the result. A friend who works at a fancy hotel taught me this tip. This will keep your bathroom smelling fresh all the time. To start a simple tip, you'll need a bar soap. And it can be your favorite one. Using a grater, go ahead and grate the entire bar of soap. After grating everything, take one tube of toothpaste. You can use any brand as well. Let's add some toothpaste on top of the grated soap. This will make your bathroom smell really nice. Next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The baking soda is gonna neutralize bad odors, enhance the soap smell, and eliminate bacteria in your toilet bowl. After adding toothpaste, let's mix everything well using both hands. Go ahead and give it a knead until it turns into some kind of dough. It should look like this, folks. See? Once that's done, let's divide into equal parts and make small balls out of it. Just roll it up with your hands in order to shape them. Now just do this with all this dough. Next, we're gonna need a roll of aluminum foil. Cut a large piece with the scissors, and now take the little balls we made and wrap them with foil. Make sure it's well wrapped so it doesn't come off easily. Go ahead and repeat the process with all the balls. After preparing all of them, just take a toothpick and poke several holes all over the balls. Take your time here. This part is very important. These holes allow the mixture to be released into the water, keeping the bathroom fragrant. Check how it turned out. And to store them, you can place the little balls into a container with a lid and use them whenever necessary. To finish, let's remove the lid from the tank. Then just go ahead and drop the ball into the water. After this, just wait a few minutes so the water will be completely fragrant. Look, in just a few minutes, see how the water looks? The smell of this is simply amazing. I'm sure that your guests will be amazed by the fragrance of your bathroom. Now, just put the lid back on and flush to see the result. See how the water looks? This has such a nice fragrance. The secret here is that you can choose your favorite soap. So this scent is gonna be all over the bathroom every time someone flushes. So that was today's video. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and I see you guys in the next video.